day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here a new smartwatch from the company AOLON, the AOLON Watch Curved smartwatch. And as you can see here, it has a sporty design and loaded with the health monitoring as well as sports function. So we are going to have the unboxing of the AOLON Watch Curve, and we'll see if what are the features, if how the design looks, okay, if what is the material, and of course we'll check if the smartwatch is a quality sports smartwatch or not. Again, this is the AOLON Watch Curve smartwatch. On this video, we are going to have the unboxing, review of its design, as well as the UI and a bit of specs. So if you have any questions regarding the Watch Curve smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Alright, so let's start and have the unboxing of the AOLON Watch Curve smartwatch. And as you can see here, based on the packaging, it is almost similar to our AOLON Watch Foam Light here that we have unboxed, I think last week or last 2 weeks. Okay, so we have here some features. On the side, we have a high definition Bluetooth calling, heart rate monitoring, multiple sports mode, IP68 waterproof, and we have a high definition 3D flexible curve screen. Okay, I'm interested to see this one. So the curved screen is 2.01 inch IPS with a 240 by 296 pixel resolution. Okay, what we have here sets its gold color, but the smartwatch is also available in black, blue, and silver. It is using the DAFIT application. I wonder if the gold color is the body frame or the strap only. So let's see. Okay, let's remove the plastic first. So the same style of packaging with other AOLON smartwatches. Simple and very easy to open. So let's remove the plastic. Push. And we have the smartwatch. So let's see. So here are the contents. We have the AOLON product manual, AOLON Watch Curve, available in English and other languages. So we have the smartwatch, the strap, flexible silicone strap. We have the charging cable, pogo pin, and we have the smartwatch. Yes, it is in gold color. Okay, so this body frame is a PC material. Okay, so let's check on the smartwatch. Flat gold finish, PC back cover, very lightweight. Okay, let me check on the weight for this wearable. Okay, so here's the weighing scale. Okay, 00. So it is about 27 grams. With the strap attached, we have at least 45 grams. So 44 grams. Okay, so very lightweight wearable, just less than 50 grams in weight. For this size, let's see. So let's check on the length first. So that is 45 millimeter. Okay, For the width, so it is around 38. Okay, for the thickness, not including the sensor here, just the back cover, we have 10 millimeter. Okay, so average size, just the same with other wearables. So is it curved? Let's see. Okay, yep, it's a bit curved. So this is the usual flat screen, okay, of a smartwatch. So this one, as you can see, slightly curved screen display. Okay, not really that curved, but there's this slight curve here. Okay, minor curve, I think. Okay, so let's remove this one. Let's attach the strap. So it has a quick release pin for easy attachment. Let's see if we can attach it directly or easily. Move. Okay. Then the other one. Attach. Okay. So as you can see, very easy to attach. And let's turn it on. We'll check the UI. Okay, so we still have a power left. Very good. Okay, let's see the black border. Let's change it to a much lighter color. Do we have? Yes, we do have. Okay, so as you can see here, we have a slimmer bezel or black border on left and right, as well as on the top, but on the bottom part it is a bit wide. Okay, so it is okay. So the curved screen is not really noticeable, but okay, so is there an effect when it comes to using the smartwatch? Okay, not really, just okay, I think. Nothing revolutionary or something, nothing unique. Just a slightly curved screen with a curve. Does it have a curved body? No. Okay, only the top here. Okay, for the UI, touch screen, split screen, and the cards. Okay. To access the main menu, just press, I think. Where's the main menu? The bottom part? No. This one? Okay. Let's see. Okay, you can use the ground button here to change the watch face. I wonder how you can access the main menu directly. So you have to use the split screen here. Okay, pressing this one, I thought it will show the main menu, but it's not. Okay, just power on and off. Okay, I'm not sure. We'll check on later on with the smartwatch as we go on. Okay, so that's it for the review of the design, the specs, a bit of specs, and UI of the wearable. For the full specifications, we have the link below. I'm going to put some descriptions here for the specs before we end the video. Check it out. Okay, so that's it for the AOLON Curve smartwatch. Bye.